Hi, this is Learning in My Garage. So, I did order some flux paste, and this is the 559. I ordered, and they come in three. There's three of them. So I will be using that today. Also, I did buy a bottle of flux. So I'll use that eventually. So I'm gonna take it out of the package. Set it up. It did come with two bits. Take the cap off and insert the syringe and take the front off. So I was told by a comment recommended this flux. It's flux. It's 559 10 cc, and it's flux paste solder, no clean, lead free. So I'll be using that today. I will turn on my solder station. It's still at 212. So still working on the practice board. There's a lot of things that I can still work on this board. So I am on number 11, and it is LED lamp, and it's going to be 97, and they're going to be on LED 1 through LED 97 on the circuit board. So let's find LED 1, and you can see these are not it. These is 15, LED 15, 16. And I'm looking for LED 1. So it should be around here. Here's LED 8, and here's LED 1. So this is where the first one goes. I did take them out of the package, so I have them ready. Flip it over. So I don't know really I don't know which side is like positive or negative, so I'm just going by the picture that I see here. So if you see this symbol right here next to the pads, so this picture kind of looks like the end of here where the two green spots are. It kind of looks the same shape. That's what I notice, that it kind of looks like it. And then the line this line in front. I believe it's this right here. I'm not sure, but that's how I'm going to solder it. If any of you know if that's the correct way, let me know in the comments. And I appreciate the help. So let's get started with the first LED. I'm going to put my safety glasses on. And this is the solder. So I'm going to put a little paste on it. I'm going to try to add the solder first. I might have put a little too much, but that's okay. There's a practice board. There's enough flux on it on both sides, so I'll just solder the other end. And it's a no clean flux, but I'll clean it a little bit just to see what it looks like. Wipe the it looks pretty good. It is pretty solid on there. It's not moving at all. So it's pretty good. So we'll call that one good. I do some soldering. I don't film it because there is 97 LEDs that I have to solder. So I might solder these and then do something else after. I don't want to do the same video over and over again, so I will do something different on the next video. Like and subscribe, and have a good day.